Hello everybody, I'm Colin Abrams. In this short video, I want to talk a little bit about the correlation between Bitcoin and the US stock market. Is there a correlation? Well, yes, there clearly is a correlation and a very close correlation at that. I'm going to show you the chart of Bitcoin on top, and that's overlaid below it, the NASDAQ. Now, I'm using the NASDAQ because Bitcoin is particularly closely correlated to the Nasdaq for one particular and very obvious and or very important reason, and that's because Bitcoin is basically a play on technology. That's what it is. It's a play on the computing power into the future. And of course, as we all know, the Nasdaq is a technology-heavy index. It's growth stocks, it's technology stocks, and therefore it's not a surprise that Bitcoin is closely correlated to the Nasdaq. And if we actually just show you this visually, starting off with 2020, you'll notice the COVID low. This is the Nasdaq at the bottom, and the COVID low on Bitcoin, almost identical. They both rallied, a few topping areas here on both of them, rallying up again to topping areas, another leg to the upside, Bitcoin topping there, the Nasdaq topping there. And when I say the Nasdaq, really it applies to the S&P 500 as well, because the Nasdaq and the S&P are almost identically correlated. Move down in both of them, and if one draws this horizontal trend line on both charts, you'll notice that Bitcoin and the Nasdaq broke down at approximately the same time. Is Bitcoin giving us any indication right now what's going to happen to the US stock market? Well, if you take a look what's happening right now, you'll notice that the Nasdaq has rallied over the past 6 or 7 trading days, whereas Bitcoin has moved sideways. That's significant because normally they move more or less together. And the fact that Bitcoin is not able to rally, given that we're now seeing the first decent rally, relief rally on the Nasdaq uh, in some time in this correction that we've had, short-term rally that is, you'd expect Bitcoin to be rallying as well, and we're not seeing that. We're seeing it move sideways. To me, this is an indication that we're going to get another leg down in the US stock market. So this is very important to keep an eye on both of them, Bitcoin and the US stock market, whether it's the Nasdaq, whether it's the S&P 500. I prefer the Nasdaq, but generally speaking, one or both can give an indication of what's going to happen to them. So this rally that we've had in the Nasdaq is not being confirmed right now with Bitcoin. In fact, right now as we speak, Bitcoin's moving down. Okay, the Nasdaq is also down a bit, but really significant is this rally that we've had in the Nasdaq has not been at all confirmed by Bitcoin moving sideways. This is more than likely telling you that the US stock market is going to have another leg down in the short term. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video. I hope to see you at the next video.